The Farmer's Almanac has released their official fall forecast for the 2025 season. Let's see what they have to say. This is the official forecast map, and it generally shows a fair start turning into a storm finish for most of the country. Thankfully, they have a further breakdown of the forecast to better understand in detail. For the month of September, it kicks off with a bang. Labor Day weekend brings a mix of weather, with thunderstorms threatening parts of the Northeast and Southeast, while the Midwest and West enjoy clearer skies. The month continues with a tug-of-war between fair weather and storm systems, including a notable hurricane threat along the Atlantic seaboard in early September. Additionally, they note that severe thunderstorms and even tornado potential loom over the central states, particularly the Ohio Valley and the Plains. By the end of the month, cooler air begins to move southward, especially across the Rockies and Great Lakes. For October, they say it ushers in familiar fall weather. The Northeast and Great Lakes regions begin to flirt with early snow, especially in higher elevations, while the Southeast enjoys a stretch of pleasant weather, perfect for fall festivals and Halloween preparations. However, don't be fooled by the calm. Stormy interludes return mid-month, bringing rain and gusty winds across much of the country. By Halloween, trick-or-treaters in the north may need to bundle up, as chilly air and scattered showers are likely. On to the final month. November brings the first real taste of winter for many. Snow becomes more frequent in the Rockies, Plains, and Great Lakes, with wet snow even reaching parts of the Northeast. The Southeast sees a mix of rain and clearing skies, while the Southwest and Northwest experience unsettled conditions with mountain snow. Thanksgiving week looks like a meteorological mixed bag. Light snow and rain could complicate travel plans in the central and eastern U.S., but many areas should see clearing skies just in time for the holiday feast. The forecast also mentions where the coldest temperatures will occur, stating that throughout the season, the coldest conditions will settle into the north-central states and the interior Northeast, especially by late October and into November. Meanwhile, the Southeast and Southwest will enjoy milder, more stable weather, though not without the occasional storm. It also talks about rain and snow potential. They say the wettest regions this fall will be the Great Lakes, Northeast, and parts of the Southeast, while the driest stretches are expected in the Southwest and parts of the West Coast. As for the first snowfall, expect flakes to fly in the northern Rockies and Montana as early October, with snow reaching the Great Lakes and Northeast by mid to late October. By November, snow will be a regular visitor across much of the northern tier. That wraps up their detailed forecast breakdown, and I think it was very well done. I agree with the idea that colder and stormier conditions will prevail late in the fall, as that will lead to the transition into our cold and unsettled winter pattern that we are currently expecting. As we get closer to winter, cold air will start to frequently make its appearances from the north and west, pushing east towards the coast. Along with this, the stormy pattern will bring early fall snow chances and gusty winds. So this forecast they made is a very good forecast in my opinion, and it will likely be accurate. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Get ready for winter and stay safe.